Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for joining us today. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to the launch of the all-new Celerio, Drive Your Style. Right from the first time we unveiled the Celerio, it has been a trendsetter in the most demanding mid-hatch segment, and thus we had to up the ante. The all-new Celerio had to be a natural choice that matches the modern customer's energetic lifestyle. We took opportunity to evolve the product and make the Celerio the stylish city car that complements the modern urban life. Let me now talk to you about how this came into being. Everything we do at Maruti Suzuki starts and ends with the customer. When we started thinking of the all-new Celerio, we were looking for a unique and a progressive design. We adopted active and lively design approach to make it incredibly stylish to reflect the lives of the constantly evolving, high-spirited and stylish lifestyle of its consumers. Now let me share with you details of the spirited design of the all-new Celerio. Most customers start with thinking about how the car looks and feels from the outside. For the all-new Celerio, we have designed the exteriors of the car in exciting, tastefully sculpted surfaces that reflect the buyer's aspiration. When we unveil the car, you would see a fusion of sweeping curves with rich 3D organic surfaces. The unique and tasteful detailing of the front fascia brings a fresh and spirited design language which accentuates the look of the all-new Celerio. Radiant front grille with chrome accents and an aggressive lamp offers the signature look. The interior design of the car complements the exterior styling. The all-new Celerio has a center-focused design with sweeping character lines which add to its energetic and spacious cabin. We have organically sculpted three-dimensional instrument panel and trims. This creates strong highlights and drops classy shadows which make it more exciting. Twin slot central ventilation grills with chrome accents along with barrel-themed side louvers are provided for a spirited feel. Shift lever design is fresh and trendy for its automatic avatar. Smart and tasteful detailing of the console and seats adds to the exciting drive feel. The heart of the car is the next generation K-series engine with first in its segment idle start-stop. The engine delivers an output of 49 kilowatts and a torque of 89 Newton meters. The new gen K-series engine is equipped with cutting-edge technology like dual VVT, dual injector, and cooled EGR. The cooled EGR helps to increase the knocking resistance. Dual injector supports in better automation of fuel. Similarly, the dual VVT provides better flexibility of operation to reduce the overall pumping loss, helping in the increased fuel efficiency. Integrated exhaust manifold reduces the exhaust temperature, thereby improving the fuel efficiency and reducing the carbon footprint. While these make the drive feel of the all-new Celerio high-spirited, I am proud to inform you that the all-new Celerio is India's most fuel-efficient petrol car at 26.68 km per liter with a low CO2 emission of 88.86 gram per kilometer. The all-new Celerio is not only bold and stylish in looks, but also rigid and strong in the architecture. The all-new Celerio is built on the 5th generation Hardtech platform, which offers excellent crash, rigidity, and strength performance. It has a smooth structure for effective absorption and dispersion of impact force during any collision. The all-new Celerio is smartly packaged, creates a very spacious interior. The exterior width has been increased by 55 millimeters, which translates to an enhanced shoulder room in the front row. Additionally, the space between the driver and the co-driver has also been increased for a pleasant and joyful ride. The front passenger knee clearance has been increased by 95 millimeters, and for ease and entry and exit, it has been further enhanced by increasing the door opening space by 48 millimeters. And last but not the least, the crowning accomplishment of the smart packaging in the all-new Celerio is the 40% increase in the luggage volume at a whopping 313 liters. It can easily accommodate all your travel needs for long and short journeys alike. We at Maruti Suzuki wanted to challenge ourselves to make the drive experience even more convenient and comfortable. We observe our customers astutely and make numerous enhancements to that effect. We have introduced the new design speedometer with digital tachometer, urban black 15-inch alloy wheels, and stylish front fog lamps. We have added the push-button start-stop, electrically foldable ORVMs, and door request switch with smart key. The all-new Celerio comes with a 7-inch Smart Play Studio infotainment system, which is equipped with features like voice recognition, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and of course, with steering-mounted control. We have introduced 12-plus safety features, including ABS with EBD, rear parking assist, dual airbag and pretensioner with force limiter, and first-in-segment hill hold assist. Complementing our customers' high-spirited and stylish modern urban lifestyle, the all-new Celerio brings an over-joyful color lineup. We are introducing 2 new colors in the Celerio: Fire Red, which reflects the high-spirited stance on the road, and Speedy Blue, which makes the car look lively and peppy. We also offer personalized option themes, which are active, cool, and peppy stylish. These enable the customer to truly make the all-new Celerio their own. So, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you a perfect city car, a perfect hatchback made more aspirational and comfortable with a stylish design, efficient maneuverability, and compelling feature story. With the all-new Celerio,
at these beauties, ladies and gentlemen. This moment right here truly deserves a thunderous round of applause. Say hello to the all-new Maruti Suzuki Celerio. There you go. What an unveil. Truly, I love the energy of our friends back there, and I'm sure that they too are eyeing the all-new Celerio just as I am. I would like to inform you that earlier in the morning, we had our photographer friends who came here. The place was buzzing with excitement and energy, and a lot of wonderful pictures were taken here with both our cars, and we're going to recreate that very moment right here, right now. Truly a picture-perfect moment, and to add more style and more panache to this very moment, may I invite on stage Ayukawa-san and Shashank-san so that we can get some more pictures done right here, right now. For all our friends, our photographer friends, there you go. Our wonderful sirs are right there with their big bright smiles. We are going to take these pictures once again, and for that we're going to do it right by our beautiful all-new Celerio. Ayukawa-san and Shashank-san, may I request you to please move towards the blue car. All right. right, to all our friends who are taking pictures and here on the media, I request you to please maintain social distance. We're going to do this in a systematic manner. Sirs, we're first going to take the pictures right ahead, straight. Okay, let's have our big smiles, big smiles on. For our friends to the right, yes, and our friends to the left. Okay, we are now going to move towards the red car. We're going to start with pictures right in the center. May we have the big smiles. This is right, ladies and gentlemen. We have just unveiled the all-new Celerio. Okay, for our friends to the right. And finally, our friends to the left. That's great. Thank you, gentlemen. May I request you to please stay back on stage? And I request all our friends, all our journalist friends to please settle down. Please take your seats as we will be starting our question answer round very shortly. Okay, and now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we've been waiting for is right here. We've seen the all-new Celerio, but a big question still remains, and that is, what is the big prize? And to reveal that and moving towards the next milestone of this afternoon, may I request Ayukawa-san to please break the big suspense and tell us what is the price of the all-new Celerio.
Can we show the price, please?
Now that we have the big price reveal, ladies and gentlemen, I'm pretty sure that this is most certainly one of the most compelling offerings from the Maruti Suzuki stable. I can see a lot of my urban, young, stylish friends leaping and moving to go and pick up the all-new Celerio.